We have to hurry. I think it's gonna rain. Okay, let's get our carrots. Put them up here.
Yeah, I have to see. Okay, let's cut the carrots.
Okay, let's put your iPad under here so that it doesn't get wet, just in case. Right there. Okay.
Okay, let's
We got our bowl to clean the carrots. We got something to cut the carrots.
And we got water.
Well, let's see what we can come out with.
Yeah, let's hurry up and do this.
Okay. Tell them what we're gonna do.
We got to keep the carrots, so we gotta do that.
Who are the carrots for?
For bunnies.
For bunnies. But we don't have any bunnies.
But the bunnies are coming.
They're gonna come.
Yeah.
Okay, I guess I'm the bunny today because I'm gonna be eating the carrots. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna harvest these carrots quickly. It looks like it's about to rain, so we'll do this real quick. And I'll clean them up and we'll try them. So we'll have a little garden snack. That sound good? All right, let's do it.
Let's pull all of them out.
Yeah, let's pull all of them out. You gotta pull them hard. Whoa!
You got a carrot?
Oh, look at that. Pull it up. Not like, let me show you, let me show you. Look at this.
Those are
Baby carrots.
two.
Whoa, look at that.
These are little ones.
These are baby carrots.
Yeah.
Okay, pull some more.
I see one. I see a.
Wow. Look at that.
I see more.
You see more?
Yeah, I see more of them. Look. I got a carrot. I got a carrot.
Wow. Look at those. Those are nice sized carrots.
Yeah.
Oh, look at you. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to scare you. Oh, look at Adonis. That's a huge carrot. You like it?
It's dirty.
It's dirty?
Yeah.
Let me see.
It's kind of.
Wow. He's pulling out some pretty good carrots.
Look at this one. I see more than one.
You see more than one?
Yeah.
Okay.
I see some.
Alright, so we got us a little bin. We've got all of our carrots and we're gonna wash them off. Whoa!
That's water dirt.
Yeah, that's a lot of dirt on there.
We gotta wash all of them.
Yep, spray the carrots. Get all the dirt off. Wonderful. What do you want to say to the camera? Are those for the rabbits? Okay.
I want to taste one.
She want to taste one?
Yeah.
Okay. So we washed off our carrots. They're looking so good. So Adonis went back in the house. I cannot blame him. It is pretty humid and hot out here. But I'm just going to cut these carrots up rinse them one more time, and then we're gonna have us a snack, okay? I haven't had any success with carrots in a while, but every time Adonis is involved, I seem to have good success with carrots. So I don't know. I think he's the special sauce. So fresh. Wonderful. There is nothing like eating fresh from the garden. It is, there's nothing that compares. I can't even compare it to anything. It's just wonderful. So I'm gonna finish up my little garden snack. Thank you guys for joining me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, Royals. Look at her. Sit down. You're not getting none.